Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dita Nausna. In this video, I will tell Learning English Section 2 Narrative Text. What is narrative text? A narrative text tells a story. It has a clear beginning, middle, and end, and follow a specific structure. The goal of narrative text is to entertain the reader by engaging them in the fictional world. Purposes of narrative text. The first is entertainment. Stories are a fundamental source of entertainment. They provide escapism, allow readers to immerse themselves in the different worlds and experience, offering a break from everyday life. Think of thrilling a mystery novel and heartwarming romance. Information. Narrative text can be a powerful tool for conveying information. Biographies, memoirs, or historical accounts use storytelling to bring real events and people to life, making them more relatable and memorable. Persuasion. Narrative can be used to subtly influence the reader's opinions or beliefs. By presenting a particular perspective through a compelling story, writers can sway readers' thought and action. Think of persuasive essay that use a personal anecdote to support its argument. And the last, emotional connection. Narrative text is designed to evoke emotion by creating relatable characters, vivid settings, and engaging plots. Writers can draw readers into the story, making them feel joy, sadness, fear, or any emotion. This emotional connection can deepen the reader's understanding of the story and its themes. Characteristic of narrative text. The first is plot, the sequence of events that make up the story, often with a beginning, a rise in action, climax, falling action, and resolution. The plot creates a tension, builds anticipation, and guides the reader through the narrative. Character. The people, animals, or other beings that act in the story. Characters are often complex and multifaceted with their own motivation, conflicts, grow through the narrative. Setting. The times and the place where the story happens, providing context and atmosphere. The setting can influence the character's action, create tensions, and evoke certain emotion in the reader. Conflict, the problem or challenge that the character face. Conflicts create tension, raise stakes, and compels the characters to make the choice that shape the story. Theme, the underlying message or idea that the narrative explores. The themes can be about love, loss, courage, or any other universal human experience. It's often revealed through the characters' action, their struggles, and the ultimate solution of the conflicts. And the last, point of view, the perspective from which the story is told, which can be first person narrated by character in the story or third person narrated by outside observe the point of view safe. shapes how the readers perceive event and characters. Types of the narrative text. The first is fable, a short story that typically features animals with human-like qualities. Fables often convey a moral lesson or teach a principle like think of the tortoise and the hare. Myth, a traditional story that explains natural phenomena, cultural beliefs, or the origin of the people. Myths often feature gods, demigods, or supernatural beings. Example include Greek myths like Perseus and Medusa, or Norse myths like Thor and the Midgard serpent. Legend, a story based on historical or semi-historical events, often embellished with fantastical elements. Legends usually feature heroic figures and often serve as a source of cultural identity. Think of a King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table or Robin Hood. Fairy tale, a magical story often featuring princes, fairies, witches, or fantastical creatures. Fairy tales often involve themes of good versus evil, love, the power of hope. Examples include Cinderella, Snow White, and Rapunzel. Folktale, a traditional story passed down through generations by word of mouth. Folktales often reflect the values and beliefs of a particular culture, and they can be humorous, scary, or inspiring. An example is the story of the Little Red Riding Hood novel, a long fictional narrative, often with complex character and plot lines. Novels can explore a wide range of themes and experience. Think of Pride and Prejudice or The Lord of the Rings. And the last is short story, a brief fictional narrative, typically focus on the single event or experience. Short stories often explore a specific theme or mission. Examples include The Gift of the Magi or The Lottery. Example of narrative text. Aduhai. Aduhai. Example, once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, lived a young girl named Lily. Lily was known for her kindness and her love for animals. One sunny afternoon, as Lily skipped through the meadow, she stumbled upon a teeny injured bird. Second is complicity or conflict. This is the heart of the story, where the problem or challenge arise. It introduces the main conflict. What is the problem that the characters face? What obstacle do they encounter? It's build tension and substance. How does the conflict affect the character? What choice do they make? It creates a sense of urgency. Why it is important for the character to solve the problem. What are the consequences of not solving it? Example: Lily gently picked up the bird and cradled in her hands. She could see that its wing was broke. She knew she had to help the bird, but she also knew that her parents would scold her for bringing home a wild animal. Conclusion: Narrative texts are the heart of storytelling. They have a powerful ability to transport us to other worlds, introduce us to fascinating characters, and make us feel a range of emotion. Here's a concise summary of their key features. Purpose: to entertain and engage the reader by telling a story. Structure: follow a general pattern of orientation, complication, and resolution. Elements: includes characters, setting, plot, conflict, and theme. Types: come in various forms such as fables, myths, legend, fairy tales, novels, and short stories. Impact: can teach a lesson, explore human experience, and spark imagination. In essence, narrative texts are more than just words on a page. They are windows into a different world. Vehicle for exploring emotion and powerful tools for shaping our understanding for ourselves and the world around us. I think that's all from me. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye bye.